Hello.
Hi, hello, good morning. Good
Good
to see
morning.
you here.
Yeah, good to see you. So, Bhanu, where are you speaking from?
So, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Banu Prasad, as you know. So, I am basically from Telangana. Currently, I am living in Hyderabad. I am a college going student. I'm pursuing BTech final year right now. So, despite student, I'm balancing my life like shooting videos, having these kind of sessions with you, great people. And also, apart from this, I'm taking some spoken English classes for a few students. So I'm interacting with different people. Like I'm coming to my hobbies like listening to English music, writing journal every single day before going to bed, and also I like helping others. So that's a good quality I have. Yeah, this is all about.
Yeah,
I would like to know a little bit about you.
okay. So, you want me to introduce myself?
Yes.
My name is Meenu Puri. I am from Delhi and I have been teaching spoken English on my YouTube channel, which is Meenu English Speaking, for 3.5 years. That's all about me.
Okay. As you mentioned on Instagram that so you the name of your channel. So I just went there and I just searched. So I found your channel. So it's an amazing you are doing. So how did you find me about my channel? Can you please tell me?
Yeah,
I'd like to know.
actually, I don't remember, but I saw your conversation with some YouTuber whom I know. So I saw your video on their channel and it got so many views. So I thought, let me click on this channel. They have mentioned the name of your channel in the title of that video. So when I went on your channel, so I thought, let me approach this guy. Let me also have a conversation with him. That's how I got to know about your channel.
Okay. Thank you so much for having a conversation with me right now.
Okay,
Okay.
so you live
Yeah.
in a
So
village?
no. Currently, I'm living in Hyderabad. Basically, I'm from a village background,
Okay.
small village.
Mhm. Now you live in Hyderabad. That means you are living away from your family.
Yes.
So how does it feel like, living alone, living away from your family? How do you manage everything?
Yeah, it's very difficult task for me because as a student, so I know that balancing we should develop balancing factor. So in my opinion, I consider so this is the stage, this is the age where we have to keep working more and more, even though we feel exhausted. So then, after certain years, we will see the life whichever we are dreaming we are desiring for. So in my opinion, I always think in such a way, but it's a very difficult because my parents are uneducated. So if I need any background support, like whenever I feel like demotivating, so if I want to seek support from my parents, they don't know what kind of motivation they want to give. So that's why I developed self motivation habit. So whenever I disappoint, whenever I distract, so I simply motivate myself that so Banu, you can do anything. So you have lot of capability to do something. You have hidden talent. Just bring it out and just reach out people so that you will come to know many more things, whatever you have not known earlier. So that's how I keep motivating. And I have a great habit that I try to learn something new each and every single day.
If a person
Yeah,
learns
it's
new
very
things every day, that keeps them young.
yes. And it's very difficult for me to stay away from my parents because see, whatever the success I'm achieving these days through YouTube, so each and every success, at the very first time, I wanted to celebrate with my parents, but they're very far away from me. So it's really sometimes upset, sometimes it disappoint me. And day before yesterday, my channel got completely monetized. I have even received that Google AdSense pin. I'm very lucky because I thought that so whatever the achievement, whatever the hard work I have been putting in the form of videos, so my hard work has been paid off. So I think in such a way. But more than this, achieving this Google AdSense pin, I feel very happy because when I was in third year of BTech, I had to start my YouTube channel. So the day when I started, after 1 week, after 2 weeks, after 1 month, the persons whoever is sitting in my class, same friends. So they started talking bad about my channel. So who are going to watch his channel? Who are going to watch his videos? But I proved them wrong that so by the end of BTech, so I have achieved the great thing. So
Mhm.
yesterday they came to me and they congratulated me. The same people who talked bad about my channel, they came to me and they congratulated me. So it really gave a lot of happiness to me yesterday.
Wow. So it's amazing that your channel got monetized. First of all, congratulations, and I hope you celebrate it in a big way. And that's a very good
Yes,
achievement. You should be proud of yourself. Have you told your parents
yes, yes.
about it?
Yes, yes, I have told my parents about. My parents don't know what's this and everything. So
Yeah.
whenever I'm very excited to meet my parents and I want to give clear idea regarding this so that they feel very happy. And I will put WhatsApp status whenever I achieve something like this. So many of my villages have seen this status. So yeah, they started appreciating me. So even because of my English, because of my YouTube channel, my parents are getting huge amount of respect in the same village. So I'm very proud of myself.
Wow, wow, that's amazing because parents are the only ones who want their children to succeed and who want their children to get more fame than them. And
Yes,
about
exactly.
people, your friends, your neighbors, and your relatives will always try to pull you down. I have also seen that whenever you try to do something new and you are trying to achieve something, they will, instead of helping you, they will be jealous of you, they will try to pull you down. But if you just
Yes,
keep if you just focus on your goals and don't look at them, then the same people will come back to you and say, how did you do it? Like your friends, isn't it?
yes, exactly. I have even observed that. So the one who, before starting this YouTube channel, so many were close with me. But after starting YouTube channel, after I'm getting a lot of nice response, nice subscribers, nice comments. So they started jealous of me. But I didn't care about them because this is my life.
Correct,
So
correct. So you did something your parents are proud of, and when they will completely understand what YouTube is and what monetization is, then they will be even happier.
yes, yes, exactly.
Yes. So you must be 19 or 20 years of age.
21 year.
Okay, 21. At this age, I mean, at the age of 21, you have achieved a lot. So, not just your channel is doing well, your channel got monetized as well. So, how did you celebrate yesterday when it got
Not
monetized?
yesterday, day before yesterday.
Okay.
Actually, one of my friends called me who supported me genuinely behind of my channel. So immediately I made him call. He made him call that. So I got a phone call from my post office. That I was very happy. I went to the post office and I received that, and I came back to Hyderabad. And my one of my friends continuously was calling. He was calling, and so that night. So as soon as I came back to Hyderabad, so I met him and we went to some restaurant and we really enjoyed a lot. So I never forget that day in my life.
You live very far away from your parents. How long has it been since you met them?
Probably 2 months. That's it.
Okay. So, 2 months ago, you went there.
Okay.
Do they pamper you a lot when you visit them?
No, 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 no.
No?
So actually, since childhood, so I had to stay in hostel. So my parents don't show much love and affection when I visit. So they treat me normal like that.
Okay,
I
okay.
can understand. I could feel their sense and everything, but I know what's love and affection, how to show, how to care, because I have already mentioned that. So I love helping people. So whenever I meet my parents, whenever I go to my home, so I love more than their love. I want to do whatever I wanted to do for them because I am the one who makes them happy, right? So I have to do everything for them because they have bestowed this beautiful life to me. So because of their birth, I am able to speak here with you right now, right? So yeah, I consider in such
Right.
a way.
Actually, everyone expresses love through different ways. Some people say, I love you, and some people show love in different ways. So, do you feel loved when
Yes,
you go home? You do, right?
yes, yes, exactly.
So, how do your parents show love without hugging you and without saying they love you?
Yeah, whenever I ask something, so they don't say no, they don't reject.
Okay,
Yeah. For example,
understandable.
if I want to go somewhere, if I ask my father and my mother, they simply say, yes, you can go wherever you want. Happily do whatever you want. So your happiness is my happiness. They simply say that's it. But
Okay.
they don't know how to express because
Yeah,
they
yeah.
are not
Many people
educated.
don't know how to
I can
express
understand.
love. Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember when I got married, my father used to miss me so much. My mother, my siblings, everybody used to miss me so much. When I used to visit them, my mother and my siblings used to say, we missed you so much. But my father, he never said anything, but he used to bring my favorite sweets and he used to bring everything that I wanted. So he had a
Okay.
different way of expressing love, but I could feel his love. Okay, I have one question. How did you think of starting your YouTube channel?
Yeah, so the same friend whom I met day before yesterday, he suggested me that. So as when I was in BTech third year, so far I was taking continuously opportunities. So whatever the opportunities were there, so I used to grab and I used to utilize. So he observe. I don't know. So when we start doing something, people definitely observe what we do in general. So he might have started observing whatever I was taking opportunities. One fine day came to me. So you have good communication skills. You have good command over English. So there is a opportunity when if you start YouTube channel, you can upload your own videos. So whenever you give some seminar speeches, so we will shoot videos and we will send it to you, so you can happily upload it on your YouTube channel and you can watch your own videos, so that you will come to know your flaws, your mistakes, and where you are stammering, so where you are hesitating, so everything will come to know. So I decided that okay, it's fine. I started. So that was my first channel, but because of some issues, and I had to leave that channel. So the channel was no more. And this is my second channel. So luckily, God always gives some second chance to each and every person, right? So I started utilizing this, my second channel, in a nice way. So today I have reached so far. And that friend advised me that start your own YouTube channel. So initial days were, I was very introvert person. I don't know how to shoot a video. I don't know how to speak in front of camera. So I was thinking such, so what if I keep uploading this video and if I go to college tomorrow, how people are going to receive me? So I used to think in such a way. But anyway, he was there, he stood for me and helped me in every situation. So because of him, so today I'm here. So I'm always, wherever I go, even after completing my BTech, so I never ever forget him in my life.
Hmm. Is he also from Telangana?
Yes, he's also from Telangana. He's one of my classmates. In Telangana, we both from different districts.
Okay, okay.
I belong to some other district and he belongs to some other districts.
So you met him in college?
Yes, yes. He is my BTech friend.
Hmm. Okay. So when did you start your second channel?
So I think probably it's 11 months ago I started this channel.
Okay. So in just 11 months, your channel got monetized. Tell me, you are so fluent and you used to live in a village. How did you become so fluent in English?
Okay, that's a good question. So I think I don't know. So one of my teachers, when I was in school, she started supporting me. So she observed and she started providing a lot of books to me. So after completing 10th class, so just you must read these books. It's gonna help you in the future a lot. So believe in me. So after completing what happened, after completing 10th standard, so I took those books carefully and I left in a corner of one of my room in the house. Even I didn't have a glance about that books. But the day when I came to another, communication skills are very important. So I started searching for those books in my house and I got back those books and I started reading in order to improve first my grammar. So that's how I started. And so the day when I got my own mobile, I started listening. You don't know, I was continuously listening to something in English. I used to listen some advanced level speakers, like native speakers English, whatever was popping up on my screen when I clicked on YouTube. So I used to randomly listen whatever it could be, motivational speech, inspirational stories, native speakers, some grammar rules, whatever it could be. But I used to indulge myself all the time English. So I make an habit of listening to each and every single day, because I know nobody comes and nobody asks us to do something. We are the one who have to take stand for ourselves and we are the one who have to do something. Then only we can create some miracles in life. So we should not care about people, because no matter whether what you do in your life, people are there to judge you, right? So I decided and I started watching a lot of videos, and I came to know watching itself is not going to make us fluent in speaking English.
Correct.
For that, I have to start speaking in English. So as I told you that, so I used to stay 2 years alone in the room. So luckily there was a big mirror in my room. So after coming back to my college, I used to stand in front of mirror after I got freshen up, and I started speaking to myself whatever the topics was running in my mind by looking at myself into the mirror. So that's really helped me a lot. And as I mentioned that, so I have a habit of writing journal, diary. I used to write my thoughts, my emotions, everything in the paper. I used to put in a paper. So that's how I started my journey. And even I want to even use much time for practicing English. Then I came to know that these applications, free applications like CV application is there and is fluency. So I started install those applications. Even those applications were providing 30 minutes free talk time. So I started using those applications in a wise manner. So even those applications really helped me a lot.
Okay, that's
So
great.
being a villager, today I have come so far, and today many people are waiting for me to have a conversation. I'm really feeling so blessed. Really, I think in my life at a very young age, half of the success I have achieved. I think so.
Yeah, yes, that's true. Absolutely true. And when you used to listen to English content and you started practicing in front of the mirror, at that time you lived in the village or you were in college.
I was in Hyderabad, but I was in the room, separate room I used to take. I
Mhm.
have taken separate room. So there, after going back to college, I started speaking to myself every day.
Okay. So after class 12, you started working on your communication skills.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm. And it is final year. So how long did it take to become good at English? I mean, you started in first year.
Yeah.
How long did it take when you thought that you were quite good?
In my 3-2, I think in 3-2. So third year, second semester.
Okay, okay.
Because when I was in first year, so I didn't practice much. Only whenever I got to know that yes, I have to practice English. Only I have to give 15 minutes or 10 minutes. That's it. But the day when I started my this second YouTube channel, so I came to know that I have to be consistent. So likewise, I started maintaining the proper schedule, like being consistent, disciplined, dedication, and committed. So I adapted all these good qualities in me and I started implementing each and every single day. So those qualities made me sit here and have a conversation with you right now. That's it. But I'm very proud of myself because so nobody can speak English in my own village where I am speaking fluent English these days. So I'm very fortunate that even if I go my hometown, so even I am getting a lot of respect from different people. So in the same village, I have started even respecting from different people. So I'm very thankful for that. And I'm always grateful for my parents because of my parents. So I'm achieving all these things.
So you have achieved great fluency even after living in a village. That's quite amazing.
Yes.
And what advice would you like to give to those people who think that we live in a village? How can we learn English? There is no environment.
Yeah. So yes, obviously, as a villager, I could feel that because I have been through all those stages, all the difficulties phases. So I would only advise the people who are worrying about I am a villager, I can not have any a good atmosphere to start speaking in English. So don't worry. I'm saying that. So we should not worry because if you have perseverance, if you have dedication to learn something, if you want to be consistent, you have to stick with no matter what, no matter what kind of situation you are in, no matter what kind of atmosphere you are in, because I have proved that. So being a villager, even I have not joined any institution, even I have not approached people like you when I was a learning, when I was a beginner, when I was in the state of learning this English language. But because of my dedication, because of my discipline, because of my consistency, because of my hard work, so I have achieved it. So if I can speak, if I can achieve, why can't other people achieve? Definitely other people will achieve, right? So I'm only advising you, if you decide, if you commit, if you consistent, and if you learn something new each and every single day, you will also speak amazing English.
Thank you so much, Bhanu, for your tips and tricks. And this was a lovely session. I really enjoyed this session. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you. Even I have enjoyed a lot this session.
Okay, I also
It
really
was
enjoyed.
really,
And
it was
congratulations
really a
once
beautiful.
again. You have achieved a big milestone.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much. Keep
yeah,
blessings, keep
yeah.
showering love upon my channel. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
All the best for your channel.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you. After reaching another milestone, definitely we will once again we will have a conversation. So I'll be looking forward for that wonderful conversation.
Yeah, definitely. We will connect again because it was such a fun conversation and we connected. Like, it was so much fun. Okay, then, bye bye. Have a great day.
Okay, you too. Bye. Take care. Bye.